Welcome to my channel. MKP Bike Zone. The Kawasaki H2R. Engine 998cc 4-stroke inline 4. Supercharged 326 horsepower 240 kilowatts 165 newton meters 122 pounds ft torque. Performance asterisk top speed 249 miles per hour 401 kilometers per hour. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.6 seconds. 1/4 mile, 9.8 seconds at 152 miles per hour. Asterisk transmission. Asterisk 6-speed sequential transmission. Dog ring type transmission. Asterisk chassis. Asterisk trellis frame. Aluminum alloy swingarm. Asterisk brakes. Asterisk dual 330mm discs with Brembo monobloc calipers front, 260mm disc with Brembo caliper rear. Asterisk suspension. Asterisk inverted fork with rebound and compression damping front, horizontal backlink with rebound and compression damping rear. Asterisk dimensions. Asterisk length 2085mm 80.1 in. Width 770mm 30.3 in. Height 1095mm 43.1 in. Wheelbase 1455mm 57.3 in. Asterisk weight. Asterisk 216 kilograms 476 pounds dry weight. The Kawasaki H2R is a track-only motorcycle designed for high-performance riding. Its supercharged engine and advanced chassis